Hello, are you okay? My name is Anthony and today I came to tell you about the home doctor if it's really good. Today I decided to record this quick video to clear all your doubts regarding the home doctor. I saw a lot of information here on the internet that doesn't match the reality of the home doctor, so for you not to throw money away and regret the purchase, watch this video until the end so I can give you some warnings. The first thing you need to know is, the home doctor is only sold on the official website of the producer. It is not sold on any other website. And for you to have results this guide, buy it on the official website, and to help you I left it here in the description of this video. I lived these last years of my life without taking much care of my health. Many people told me to take care of them in a natural and true way, but I didn't pay much attention. I was always stuffed with medicine anyway. And from being charged so much, it became a subject that bothered me a lot. After a lot of research and indication, discovering the home doctor guide, since I didn't like to go to the doctor myself, added the useful to the pleasant. Well, what is the home doctor? Is the home doctor any good? And the answer is yes, the home doctor is really good and I recommend it. The Home Doctor is a 304-page written and approved medical guide on how to manage most health situations at home. Exclusive to laymen like me. It can be used when help is not on the way or to manage common ailments that do not require medical consultation. The Home Doctor is packed with practical tips, accurate diagrams, and step-by-step instructions that can help you stay healthy and help others in need. With the Home Doctor, you can become a home doctor yourself. Home doctors are self-sufficient people who take care of themselves and their families when the situation calls for it. That's what I wanted to achieve with this book, to empower myself, to take care of myself, my loved ones, and even the people around me. The Home Doctor will change your life as it has changed mine. It's unlike any other guide you've ever used or tried. Many people are having great results with the Home Doctor, including me. Today I am very grateful to the Home Doctor. And the most important thing about this video, pay close attention. For you to have all the benefits of the guide, do the treatment you need correctly as the guide guides, use as indicated by the writer. Best of all, if you buy from the Home Doctor's official website and you're not satisfied with the guide, they give you a 60-day money-back guarantee. That's right, 60 days. If they give you this guarantee, it means that the Home Doctor really helps a lot of people, I guarantee you. So I recorded this video, first to tell you to be careful with the site and second, buying the Home Doctor guide on the original site, follow all guidelines correctly and take it seriously. If you have any questions, leave them here in the comments, and don't forget that the Home Doctor's official website is here in the description of this video, so you can buy the Home Doctor guide on the correct website and have success in your treatments, because there contains several hugs and even more.